What is the difference between cubes in exponents and cubes in shapes? Hello there, Aditya Kamath here. Welcome to your channel AdiAdvik Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about cubes and cube roots. If you want to learn more about exponents, you can click over this thing right here to learn more about it, which is based on cubes and cube roots. Exponents consists of almost all types of things like squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. And if you want to know more about squares and square roots, which will help you learn cubes and cube roots, you can click over this thing right here. These squares and square roots and cube roots are almost the same. The only difference is you multiply a number twice in squares and square roots, and in cubes and cube roots you do it thrice. Why is it so? It is because area of square is side into side, multiplying a number 2 times, and area of a cube is side into side into side, which is multiplying a number 3 times. Now let's learn about cubes and cube roots very deeply. 2 cube is 8. 10 cube is 1000. Wow, that is a very big number. For just 10, they are bigger numbers than squares. 10 square is 100. 10 cube is 1000. Pretty large numbers, right? Cube roots are numbers that are the right opposite of cubes. It is reversible. 2 cube is 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. It is reversible, right? In squares and square roots, negative numbers are given injustice. Why do I say injustice here? I say it because negative numbers, you can never get a negative number as a square of a number, and you can never find a square root of a negative number. In cubes and cube roots, you get negative number. You can get negative number as a cube, and you can find the cube root of a negative number. It is possible, really. Yeah. Now let's discuss about it in brief. If you multiply 3 negative numbers, it is positive. Multiply 2 negative numbers, you will get a positive, and that positive you multiply to another negative number, you get total answer negative. Now let's discuss about methods for finding cube roots. You have only one method. In square roots, you can use prime factorization and long division method. Here we use prime factorization only. Long division method we can use, but it is not easy. It is a little tricky, which will be very tough. Instead of that, we can use prime factorization here. That is the good news. Now let's use the prime factorization method to solve this sum. Now we have cube root of 1000, which we know is 10. Now let's find cube root of 1000 using prime factorization. First you should factorize it. What are the factors of 1000? We have the factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. And we have the triplets 2 and 5. 3 2s and 3 5s. Here we deal with triplets, right? Because it is 3 numbers. We multiply 3 numbers. Then it will be, you should take one number from these 3, which is 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is only 2 when you remove cube root. And 5 into 5 into 5 is 5 when you remove cube root, which is 2 into 5. The final answer is 10. We got the correct answer using prime factorization method. I will try to teach you the complicated long division method, but I can't use this video to explain it to you because it is quite complicated, as I said. I will try to explain in another video about it. We have come to the end of the session, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video only if you like it. Subscribe to this channel to not miss out any videos like this. Share this video so that your friends can know more about cubes and cube roots. And that's it, guys. Bye for now. See you later.